This is Maggie from Mock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website newwearit.com. I'm going to close this window, okay, and I'm going to close this as well. Okay, so we've got top navigation, minimized header area, which is very good because I can see one of your products in the hero image, so that's important for the conversion. Above the fold is the best conversion on any website. You've got call to action, shop collection, link into the relevant collection, which is excellent. Featured collection, you've got featured products, which is also great. Plenty of content and professional email address in the footer with the extra navigation, which is perfect. Your SEO score is 55 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet needs optimization. The meta title and meta description are too long, and it means that will be cut off in the search results. They don't have call to action, and obviously they need a little bit more unique content to help you stand out in the search result. You need to optimize the snippet, otherwise people won't be clicking to your website. So you need to make sure that you stand out from competition with more unique content, with shorter content, because obviously you don't want the content to end like mid-sentence or mid-word when someone comes across your listing, so you need to optimize it further. Also, you're missing H1 tag, which is the most crucial. Your H3 tags are not optimized. They haven't got the get keywords, just exposed code. The feature collection is not SEO friendly, and the H tags should be really used in the right order. So start from H1, then H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Don't skip between different H tag sizes. Also, your content is not optimized for the right keywords, which means you won't be ranking in the relevant search results, and that means that the traffic coming to your website is not likely to convert. So you need to optimize your content with the target keywords. You need to make sure that you rank for the target keywords in order to let Google know where to put you, where to display your website, and to make sure that the traffic you've got will be more likely to buy from you. Yes, keyword consistency isn't there. You haven't got keyword put in the most key places on the website, which is a problem. Also, you haven't got a lot of written content, which means Google doesn't have a lot to index. So you need to make sure that you keep adding content regularly through blogging. Also, your images aren't optimized at all. So remember to optimize them, because it also helps Google to index you in more relevant search results. Also, you haven't got schema structured data tags, which can also be problematic. So remember to optimize that as well. Your website has got certain loading issues, so these are HTTP requests, express headers, and components to be compressed. If they are not completed, that can be problematic for users with slower speed, which may be classified, your website might be classified as not user-friendly, as not accessible with all users, which can definitely affect where you rank in Google. So I do recommend working on these elements ASAP.